Hello everyone, welcome you to the video on interview questions in Python. So we are discussing about the questions asked in the interview on Python. So today we have a question here where we have to convert a list into a set. So as you know, list, set, dictionary, these are all the data structures in Python. So here, if a list is given, how to convert that into a set? So that's what we are going to see in this video. Let's go into it. So first let us create a list. So this is an object I'm creating for the list. So using square bracket, I'm going to define a list here. So inside the square bracket, I'm going to pass few elements. So if I execute this now, I have created a list. So let me call this list 1. So it shows the elements that are present in this list object. So we have created a list. So if you want to check the type, use type function and pass the object inside this to find what object it is. So it is a list object. So now we have created a list and let's see how to convert this list into set. So basically set has curly brackets, whereas in list the elements are enclosed in square bracket, right? So to convert a list into a set, we have set function. So using this set function, we are going to convert this list into a set. So first let me create a set variable as we created for one for list. So this is the set object that I'm creating. So now I'm simply calling the set function and I'm going to pass the list which I have created now. So when I pass this list inside set function, this is going to return me a set. So let me call this set1. So as you can see, here we have created a set. So the elements here are enclosed with curly brackets, right? So this is a set. So this is one way of doing it. You also have another way where you can use set comprehension. Let's see how to convert a list into a set using set comprehension. So here let me create another variable for set. And I'm going to use the same list, which is list1. So now I'm not going to use any function. Instead, I'm going to use this curly brackets, which is meant for set. So inside this, I'm going to pass all the elements of the list. So one by one. So for this, I'm going to use a for loop. So here's an iterator. For x in list1. So this states that this x is going to iterate over this list1 and takes all the variable values and put it inside the curly bracket, right? So you will get all the elements of the list inside this set 2. So if I execute this, a set will be created with all the elements that were present in the list. So let us call this list 2. So here you can see that we have converted the list into a set. So in these ways, you can convert a list into a set. I hope this was easy. But there are multiple ways to do it. So it all depends on our logical thinking. So we can come up with different ways to get the same output. So I hope this is clear. Thank you all.